Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Remo. The series tells the extraordinary story of Remo, inspired by a real person, a man who goes against his superiors. It's a story that encompasses the deep conflict of family, justice, revenge, friendship, and love. The fuel theft gang, known for smuggling diesel fuel, works for a powerful family who runs the entire area. The only thing they want in return is, as Ramo says, bones given to dogs. While the gang does the dirty work, Jengiz, the boss, gets all the money. Ramo, unable to accept the treatment that his family gets, decides to change the system no matter what's his stake. He raises Wright's flag with the first opportunity he gets, just like how his father did during his time. Number 9. Vatanim Sensei. Wounded Love is the story of one of the most tragic heroes of his time, a hero who is condemned to face the urination of his family while he can do nothing to stop, a woman who is doomed to make a choice between her family and her repressed womanhood, a story of a nation's rebirth. Number 8. Kirmizi Oda. The Red Room is a powerful new drama series that takes place in a therapist office in Istanbul. Vulnerable women pass through to get treatment and handle their traumas and problems based on the real life experiences of framed psychiatrist and writer Dr. Gulsaren Badciolu. The episodes are built around the harrowing stories of the patients, while at the center of the drama is the team of a therapist in the clinic and their own personal issues. Number 7. Chop Adam. Tamir, who struggled with life at a young age, was tired of his family's troubles. By turning all these difficult conditions into a game, Tamir managed to protect his inner child. With his sister Mariam, he grew up in an orphanage after his parents left him there. Tamir is now married and has a child. His company becomes a shareholder of a giant American company when the computer game he designed becomes a great success. First, he buys a villa on the Bosphorus to gather his whole family under one roof. His mother Aysel and father Buland, who have settled in the villa, cannot believe their luck. However, Tamir finds it very difficult to forget the past. The balance Tamir is trying to strike is turned upside down when he counters Perry. Number 6. Kutsayed and Shura. Kutsayed and Shura tells the story of a dashing, womanizing Lieutenant Kutsayed, the first son of a rich Crimean landlord of Turkish religion, who falls in love with Shura, the beautiful daughter of a noble Russian family. But Sayed's father has always been convinced his son should marry a Turkish girl and continue their line. Against the wishes of their families, the lovers flee together and make a dangerous journey across frozen wastelands to seek sanctuary in Istanbul during the last days of Ottoman Empire, when they must fight for their love against the forces of family, the expectations of society, and the events of history. Number 5. Kamdaki Kas. Nalan is a young, beautiful, and innocent girl who works as an architect in a big hotel group. Her mother Faride is a conservative and obsessive old woman. She controls Nalan's every move, what she wears, and what she sees. We find out the reason for Faride's bitter attitude. Nalan is actually her granddaughter. Her mother Shama was a teenager who died while giving birth to Nalan, and Faride has never forgiven the baby for killing her own daughter. Sadat, a young and good looking man, is the successful heir of the big Korolu hotel. He lives in the family mansion where his father Rafet has an eye on all the families, spending with the assistance of Taku, a member of the household staff who spies on the family to learn if anyone breaks Rafat's rule. Number 4. My Home, My Destiny. Zainab is born into a poor family and has few opportunities in life. Her father is an workaholic, her mother weak, and her brother dies due to the lack of medical treatment. Her fortune changes when the family that employs her mother as a cleaning lady offers to adopt the young girl. Her parents agree in the hope of giving their daughter a better life. She will learn, be loved, and be surrounded by beautiful things, but she always carry a feeling of not belonging. The poor and innocent Zainab turns into a clever, educated, and beautiful young woman engaged to be married to a dream man from the top of society. However, this fairy tale will come into a shocking end when her mother shows up, seeking to regain control of her daughter's life and bring her back to the home where she was born. Number 3. Fatma Gulun Suchne. Fatma Gulun Suchne is a story based on novel. The series revolves around Fatma Gul and Karim, who are the lead characters. Fatma Gul, who is a small town girl, is raped one night by three guys under the influence of alcohol and drugs. Karim, who is friends with Erdogan, Selim, and Mural, is also present during this incident. Karim has not taken any part in this but is feeling remorse as he was present during the incident. Later on, the lawyer uncle and parents of rich guys pressurize Fatma Gul to marry Karim by bribing her sister-in-law. Fatma Gul has fiancé Mustafa, who is after revenge on Fatma Gul and Karim. This makes the couple leave their hometown and come to Istanbul. The story revolves further when Karim falls in love with Fatma Gul and supports her in fight against her rapist. Number 2. Yurek Chikmazi. The drama is about the story of a family from Usak who migrates to Istanbul. Jannat, who has been working since she was young and getting ready for marriage, marries Yilmaz, whom she fell in love with, and come to Istanbul from her village as a bride. As a result of their marriage, which lasted almost 40 years, they have three children. The marriage, which started in good times and bad times, as with Jannat's paralysis and death, she left behind three tearful children and a husband. However, the letter that emerges after the funeral turns upside down the facts that everyone believes, as it turns out that the letter Jannat penned before her death blames her husband. This causes a division between the siblings. Faride, who always loves her father unconditionally and stands by his side, Birsan, who is used to obeying everything not to be harmed, and Halil, who has not sided with his father for a long time. As a result of her research over time, Jannat's lawyer manages to find evidence to prove the accuracy of this claim. Number 1. Tarzi. Based on a true story, the series depicts the story of Payami, a famous young tailor who inherited talent and successful business from his grandfather. With the death of his grandfather, Payami brings his biggest secret, his father experiencing mental illness, to the core of his life in Istanbul and now has to take care of him without a soul finding out the truth. Aswad, running away from an abusive relationship, finds herself in the middle of this secrecy with her own mystery. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.